right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. A little bit of a late start to the vlog. We are headed to an undisclosed location in Mexico. There might be some runs tonight, there might not be, but I do believe it's going to be more of a park and chill. Now, there is actually a couple of Mexico meets this weekend that I'm currently getting the car ready for. I need the car detailed. I need to go ahead and swap out a wheel and also get a tire swapped onto a different wheel, because if you guys have been keeping up with the channel, if you have not, all good. I bent 2 different weld wheels in 2 weeks. I really fucked this wheel up. I'm gonna show y'all.
Hello?
This is truly bent. You can see right here, right
yes, sir.
here.
Is it the what tire?
Both sides.
Yes. So the warehouse had issues, so they delayed it.
Going over dips in the road. I must have got some Temu welds or something like that, because things aren't adding up, but it's all good. We're gonna get everything situated. I honestly do not want to race on the wheel that I'm on right now because it is slightly bent, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and just park up, chill, and have a good time, and then just get the car ready for runs this weekend. Don't really have anything lined up specifically, but I think we will have a good time. So if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. We're not too far from the spot that we are going to be going ahead and seeing what's going down tonight. But the spot later on this week is quite far. It's quite far. It's another road trip, but we've already made that road trip. Not once, not twice, not 3 times. We're gonna go ahead and do it again, so should be a good time.
One eternity later.
Alright, we're about to pull up. Usually I come from the other direction. GPS took me a different way this time. Spot. Oh man, that would suck if I drove out here and it's not where everybody's at. That really would suck, because I don't know if this isn't looking familiar. Man, I see a C7 over here. Maybe it is the right spot. See a C7 Z06 right there, so maybe this is the right spot, unless he's out for a late night cruise, which I don't blame him. This weather's been so bipolar, you gotta get it while you can. When it's not raining and it's decent outside, it's not that hot, it's like 83 degrees, hey, gotta take the car out. I think it start raining in like 10 minutes. Ha! Oh, there's 12. That's like a pothole that took out my wheel, honestly. One of those potholes took out my wheel earlier. Holy shit. I'm about to park at the pump. Alright, y'all. At this location, they going crazy here, I ain't gonna lie. A lot of cars, a lot of bikes. Might get some action tonight. down, y'all. What the fuck are they doing? We ain't doing nothing. Smart. Smart. Alright, so we left the meet. It's the Whipple Hawk. Man, this thing looks mean as hell on the drag pack. Whew. Shit. It's badass. Damn. This Honda's crazy too. Sheesh. This is low-key what I need, y'all, no cap. Oh my god. Get rid of the S650 for a C6 ZR1. Shit. That'd be crazy. That's what I need though. Badass little night. I'm actually back on my old side of town. Y'all know exactly what E station this is. Man, good times, good times. Good runs with my homeboy's Trackhawk. Good runs, some fun runs, man. That's my boy in his Whipple Trackhawk, man. I actually ran that Trackhawk on the Procharger setup, but I didn't have my GoPro on. Racing for fun, we just wanted to test everything out just to see how the setups stack up. And it was door to door with the Procharger setup. Then obviously I went ESS. He did some other modifications. I'm not gonna say what he did to his car, or technically what he did to his Trackhawk. You know, we're gonna keep that under wraps. You know what I'm saying? That's the homie. That thing is fast, ladies and gentlemen. It is fast. That will upset a lot of cars. I'm telling you guys that right now. So be on the lookout for that Trackhawk on the streets, and some future videos as well. It gets down, absolutely gets down. Somebody who can't drive stick shift, they're cooked against that car, especially if you do a lower roll. I gave him his roll. He wanted to do like a 50 and a 55 because the gearing of the Trackhawks, the 60 rolls are not that good. But 50, 55, those Trackhawks take off, ladies and gentlemen. Like if you spin, it's over, you lost. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just one of those things. Because I raced him earlier in the year when it was a little bit cooler out, and I spun. He actually got out on me, and I have to go ahead and play catch up. So that goes to show you how nasty, you know, those all-wheel drive vehicles are, man. Like if you spin or you can't drive, or your setup is not dialed in, or at least if it's not dialed in, you know, enough, it's over with. That race is over before it even starts. Kind of like racing higher horsepower 10 or 80 cars. I like racing setups like that because you don't really see a lot of Trackhawks that get down. Realistically, most Trackhawks are stock with a muffler delete. That one is, you know, it's a Whipple Hawk, you know what I'm saying? It's not slow whatsoever. whatsoever. So good runs, man, good runs. I need to get this clutch swapped out, and I might go ahead and pulley down in the near future as well, but I absolutely need to go ahead and swap the clutch out first, because I guarantee you if I put, let's say, the 110mm pulley, first pull, even if I do it in third gear, I already know it's gonna be singing like crazy, yeah, like, and then shift to four, yeah, that's literally all it's gonna make. So 100% gonna go ahead and get the clutch swapped out before I go ahead and pulley down, but I definitely want to get that running right now on this setup. That was one car Trackhawk Jeep that I absolutely wanted to race, and I know he wanted to race me too, so we can have an idea on you know, who we can go ahead and run and what we can get into. And you know, both setups are doing exactly what they were, you know, what they should be doing. If I still had the Pro Charger setup, I would have lost 110%. I would have lost 110% without a doubt in my mind. I would have got walked if I was still on the Pro Charger setup. I just know that for a fact. That Trackhawk is fast. All right, it's the next day back at the casa. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, y'all. That Trackhawk is getting down. You're gonna see that on the channel again very shortly. Cool guy. Now, currently waiting for the weather to kind of clear up so I can go to the shop to pick up my wheel, so we can go ahead and get that swapped out on the tire, and then we can make our way to Mexico later on this week. Hopefully we'll be able to get some runs in if the weather is going to be cooperating, because it is incredibly inconsistent. It was not supposed to rain today, and it literally just rained. It was coming down like a monsoon here in Houston, which is ridiculous. The weather has been horrible, absolutely horrible these past couple of weeks, but it is what it is. Remember, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, feel free, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications to stay up to date, and above all, stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.